Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to quickly change colors of items in your Silhouette Studio. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my layers. You don't have to use layers, but this is how I do it. And you just want to make sure that all of the items are locked except the layer you want to color. So once everything is locked, you can select over it and it won't affect the locked layers. So then I'm just clicking and dragging the items I want colored, and then using the fill section, I'm just simply clicking on a color. And there are other ways that you can do this as well. So instead of using the fill, what you can do is you can click and drag and then hit Ctrl and then click on a different color. So that's another way to quickly do it as well. There is another way where you can change colors in a different section, but I will do that in a different video because it is a little bit more complex. But once you have that all done, you can hide all of your other layers if you want. It doesn't really matter if it's locked. But the cool thing about the Control and click is you can hit Shift and then drag over whatever areas you want, and then do the Control and click, so you can actually color multiple items at once. And that's pretty much it. It's super simple and you can get really creative with it, and if you make an error, just hit Ctrl Z and that will undo it. Alright, well, thanks for watching. I hope this was informative. It was very short, but hopefully it was concise and helpful. Alright, well, have a great day and thanks for watching, and good luck with all of your Silhouette adventures. Alright, bye!